So today one of our viewers gave us this challenge.
And we are going to go around the office to get our chosen 5 to compete in a mini challenge. And the top 3 are going to take on this Volcano Tom Yum challenge. Let's go.
You have been chosen. Come to the studio now.
What's this about?
Hi guys!
Hello!
So you are here to compete to be the fastest and spiciest eater in office. Here are the rules.
Top 3 will get a prize.
What is it?
Yay! Always ice cream. Always ice cream. Like one tub of ice cream.
Is it a trip to USS? Nope. Why got extra chili? I'm ready.
Slow and steady, guys.
12 seconds later.
I need to drink water. I ate the I'm joking. I'm joking. I'll die.
You are disqualified!
Few moments later.
Done, just done.
It's not a good thing for
give up.
Yay! We have our winners! Woo! So you're ready for your prize?
Yes.
Okay!
Ice cream.
No, Yuki, Jess and Xenia. So your prize today will be taking on the Volcano Tom Yum challenge at Sembawang.
This is a more prize! Who do you think will win the ultimate Tom Yum challenge?
Yuki.
Who do you think will win the
Oh
challenge?
my god, Jaslyn. You have practice. I believe in you. You can do it.
Who do you think will win the challenge?
You, duh.
Okay, I'm gonna guess Jess number 1. Number 2 is Yuki, then Xenia. Same.
Yeah, Yuki is always happy. You cannot like that. Why nobody vote me?
1 week later.
Yuki.
Look at me. I look
But
like a
actually,
champion.
I low-key think that I will win. I humble a bit, I don't say like humble. Actually, I never think of it.
Until Yuki, right? This guy trained over the weekend.
Well, you need practice to win. So yesterday I went to Thai Express to practice again. And I did it within 5 minutes.
Wait, can I just say that? What kind of challenge involves you drinking a mango smoothie?
I didn't know you cannot drink!
Hi, my name is Peter Wong. I'm from JJ Thai restaurant, Sembawang branch. Our restaurant is started on 2012 and we moved to this Sembawang area 2014. All our chef is from Thailand. We are using Thailand chef. Just let our guests, our customer, our friends to try the original Thailand. Today you are having is we call it a volcano. The spicy is 60%. Ingredient is very simple. We have chicken, lemongrass, and most is chili.
I was expecting like a very big bowl.
Yeah.
But it came out just like that.
Like a normal bowl size, I would say. Like, I know for sure I'm not the fastest, but I know like I can eat it while it's hot. So I'm hoping it's like super hot. Then who knows, this girl go and bring the electric fan.
She's crazy.
So when they serve, she started like fanning the soup.
Your 15 minutes start now.
The first minute when I started, I was actually blank. I don't know what I'm doing. It's just the hand movement, it just keep doing this.
That first minute, I was mentally talking to myself. Okay, Xenia, chew, don't stop chewing, chew faster. Up, down, ta, 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 ta.
I honestly don't like people who chew that fast.
I was just, Xenia, whack the meat first.
Yeah, whack the meat first.
Whack the
Take the
meat.
mushrooms.
I
Take
don't know,
everything
eh.
off.
All in my mind is like big Yuki.
Yeah!
Oh!
Angry,
That's so mean.
No, you know what? On the way to the restaurant, he was trash talking the both of us. He was like shoving this to our face.
This girl beside me is crazy. The way she drinks the soup.
Yeah.
Oh
I don't
my
know,
god.
I have no technique behind it. I taste a bit, then the next moment I just take out the whole bowl and just drink it.
I think that's where the competition starts.
Yeah, correct.
Because we were all at the same
finished
time.
the ingredients at the same time. Yeah. When I was drinking the soup, I can hear Yuki coughing. He was like choking a bit. So then I was very scared. So mine was just just slow and steady. Because once you cough, then you break the momentum. If you like calmly drink as fast as you can, I think that's like the best strategy for me lah.
Jasmine got few tutorials to know lah. I feel that we are all in
Oh, clichés I think there's a very strong lemongrass flavor and that's like the authentic Thai kind of Tom Yum. Yeah. And as you can see, there's a lot of chili flakes also. It's not like one whole chili put in, they really blend the chili properly.
I think the good thing about this dish, right, is that it helps that the chicken is not very tough.
I like it that it's so spicy and sour. Just right, I would say.
To be honest, I was expecting this challenge to be just plain spicy. Like in a way they make the food like inedible so that you won't win, you know. So it's good that like when we eat, it's still like flavorful and like it's really enjoyable.
My stomach very hot.
Yeah.
I cannot feel my whole body.
It felt like burning drunk. It's either coming up or upwards or downwards. That's how bad it is.
Like the whole thing right lasted for a good 5 minutes.
Yeah, yes.
Like longer than
Like you can see the two of us like. Yuki farted! This is the start of the challenge! For three of us, tonight is a war with ourselves. We were so competitive. We finished it like way before the timing. So you can afford to like, you know, just like chill and enjoy the food a little bit more. Because like, as long as you finish before the 15-minute mark, you get a free drink. So it's basically like a whole meal covered.
Whoa.
Nice, nice.
You can't even talk now.
It's free. Yeah.
It's free and it's good.
It's really free. We just walk off without paying it. For those who are competitive, I would recommend you to try to beat our timing and not their timing. Beat her timing. So if you can beat her, yeah, comment down the section below.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe.
And watch our
And
other
watch our videos over there.